Hafaday, my name is Rai Perez with the Community Nutrition Education Programs from the University of Guam Cooperative Extension and Outreach. In this video, I will be joined by Tanisha and Kevin, and together we'll be showing you some simple, easy recipes you can make at home with your family using canned goods and other items you may have in your pantry right now.
We understand that eating healthier isn't always easy. This video will show you that it's possible to take any recipe and make it a little bit healthier.
As you can see, you can use ingredients you already have at home, like canned, dried, frozen, or fresh fruits and vegetables to transform any dish. You can find more of these simple, healthy, and tasty recipes at our Community Nutrition Education Program page on the uog.edu website, shown here. Thanks for watching!